Hello everyone. These are syllabus of paper first, theory of computations. Course code of paper first is USCS 301. 3 means third semester and 1 means first paper. Objective of theory of computations in that first one, to provide the comprehensive insight into theory of computation by understanding grammar, languages, and other elements of modern language design. Also, to develop capabilities to design and develop formulations for computing model and identify its application in diverse areas. Expected learning outcomes for paper 1 theory of computations are: understand grammar and languages. Second outcomes, learn about automata theory and its applications in language design. Third expected learning outcome, learn about Turing machines and push down automata. And last one is understand linear bound automata and its application. Above all, these are expected learning outcomes for paper 1. In unit 1, first point is automata theory. Automata means machine. It is self-acting machines, means automata. First chapter is automata theory in unit 1. In that point, subpoints are defining automata, finite automata, transitions and its properties, acceptability by finite automata, non-deterministic finite state machine, DFA and NDFA, equivalence. DFA means deterministic finite automata, full form, and NDFA means non-deterministic finite automata. All these are subpoints in automata theory chapters. And last one is Mealy and Moore machine, minimizing automata. These are first chapter name automata theory in unit 1. Second chapter is formal languages. In that second chapter, the subpoints are defining grammar, derivations, languages generated by grammar, Chomsky classification of grammar and languages, recursive enumerable sets, operations on languages and automata. All these are unit first in that two chapters, automata theory and formal languages. These are very vast chapters. Unit second, in unit second, first chapter is regular sets and regular grammar. Sets concepts are clear in mathematics. You are learn set concept in data structure also. Okay. In that point, subpoints are regular grammar, regular expressions, finite automata and regular expressions, pumping lemma and its applications, closure properties, and last one is regular sets and regular grammar. In unit second chapter is CFL, means common free languages. In that point, subpoints are context free languages, derivation tree, ambiguity of grammar, CFG simplification. CFG means context free grammar, normal forms, and last point is pumping lemma for CFG. CFG means context free grammar. And last chapter in unit second, third chapter is push down automata. In that first one, definition, acceptance by PDA. PDA means push down automata. Push down automata, it is type of automata. Automata means machine, self-acting machines. And last point is PDA and CFG, push down automata and context free grammar. In unit third, first chapter is linear bound automata. In that chapter, first point, the linear bound automata model, linear bound automata and languages. Second chapter is Turing machine. In that, Turing machine definition, representations, acceptability by Turing machine, designing and description of Turing machines, Turing machine constructions, variants of Turing machines. And last chapter in third unit, undecidability. In that, the Church Turing thesis, universal Turing machine, halting problem, and last point is introduction to unsolvable problems. These are 3 units for theory. No practical for this first paper, only 10 tutorials instead of practical. First tutorials problems on generating languages for given simple grammar. Second, problem on DFA and NDFA equivalence. Problems on generating regular expressions. Problems on drawing transition state diagram for regular expressions. Fifth one, problem on regular sets and regular grammar. Problems on ambiguity of grammar. Problems on working with PDA. Problems on working with Turing machines. Problems on generating derivation trees. And last tutorials is problems on linear bounded automata. These are 10 tutorials for paper 1. Textbook for paper 1. First textbook is Theory of Computer Science, KLP Mishra, Chandrasekharan, PHI 3rd edition. All these 3 books are available in our libraries. And additional reference, 4 additional references you can use for this paper, or 3 textbooks are used for first paper. And TechMax textbooks are available in our libraries for your study. This all introduction of paper 1. Paper name is Theory of Computations. In that paper, first point, automata theory. Automata means machine. Formal languages are in their paper. In that grammar points, it is very important. Context free language, regular sets, regular grammar, these points are important points. Chomsky means scientist name. Okay, it's all our information about introduction to paper 1 theory of computation. Thank you.